Okay, we're about to get started. We went ahead off camera and measured all our main bearing clearances. They're all within specs, so I'm gonna go ahead and get everything torqued down. And if you're wondering how we measured our main bearing clearances, we actually use plastic gauge to be able to see, how much bearing clearance that we actually have. So if you're wondering how to measure bearing clearances for the cheap, this is how you can do it. Get this for like $3 at O'Reilly's. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start torquing these main caps down. First we're gonna go to 15 foot-pounds on all of them. Then after that, we're going to torque the inners to 80 degrees and the outers to 53 degrees. And then we'll put our side bolts in. I'm using my snap-on 1/2-inch torque wrench. This will allow me to be able to see the angle adjustment when we get to that point. Alright, so how I know that I tightened every one of these bolts, of course you can go to the bolt and just check it by hand and see if it moves, which, I'm doing that anyway, but in all reality, on my torque wrench you can see right here in the corner, you can see the count of how many bolts we actually torqued down. And we have 20 bolts that were torqued down, and there's 20 bolts. So we know that we've already torqued every one of the bolts down. So now we can start going to our angle adjustment. Go ahead and get that started. So go ahead and do the inners first, and then the outers. The inner, I believe, are 80 degrees and the outer are 53.